Hello everyone, welcome back to the Weekends Off-Roading channel. Today we're going to talk about rooftop tent mods that I've done. The first mod I've done is I've changed the pull strap from the original and I've modded it so that it's just a last strap instead of that old strap that I had before, the one with the buckle. That's the first mod. The second mod is I extended the zipper, as you can see here. So I added a polypropylene strap and I've extended the zipper. I just sewed that in and then sewed the zipper up here as well. This is because it was a pain in the ass to put the cover back on. So I just just made this cover and extended it over. I do have a 3-inch mattress there, a self-inflating 3-inch mattress, a couple pillows and sleeping bag. So that's why I needed to do this extension. It really helps with the zipper not being caught, and then it also extends it. I also sprayed some waterproof spray on it just as well, so water doesn't penetrate through it. It's very water resistant. And all the items that you'll see here I'll link down below if you do want to do this with your rooftop tent as well. And the third mod is I put these pull straps down too, so it's just easier for me to put the cover on when I'm putting back my tent. Because without this, my fingers here, like these parts, were shredded up when I was trying to force this cover on. So again, the mods that help were this strap, extended zipper strap, and then now this pull tab where I can pull it down to whatever I need to. Very, very helpful. Fourth mod is just this master lock here, just for extra security, so that no one can access it. Again, it's just a master lock, a Python lock. Just so that no one can access it. Well, I guess someone can, but it's a lot makes the cover, or makes the rooftop tent a little bit more protected because it is attached to my basket there as well. So those are the mods that I've done to my rooftop tent just to make it easier to deploy. Again, the last straps inside to just tighten and taut the rooftop tent down. The extended zipper, which I sewed together using a strap, a polypropylene strap, and then extended the zipper up so I can have some more space in the actual tent. And then these pull straps that I put in so that it's just easier to pull down when I'm putting the cover on. And then lastly, the lock there that's attached to my roof basket, so it is going to be a lot harder to remove. Last item, which I forgot, was I added these security screws as well. Just for added security and just to make sure that nothing gets taken. So with that concludes my rooftop tent mods. I'll probably do some more, but hopefully this helps and hopefully this gives you some ideas as well. Talk to you soon.